Yeah, we there again, pan the yard vibes, you know. The one I miss me a title, Poor Vybz Kartel. You hear me about Poor Popcaan. Look sad in his face, right? Imagine you have the up under the man will allegedly try to take you out. Right, at that I go on. See one look video, so see. Why all of them, no female of their own them do there? One gang of man. When I walk with so much of boyfriend them one time. Imagine you walk in like a top dog and 100 of your boyfriend them. And then you can see the little fake laugh on Papi. Imagine the next to biggest. So biggest hip hop star. Right? Still up your sidekick, of course. To know a man where they are jail for how long. He allegedly try to take you out. And you still have to be a little boy to him. I said, damn, poor Popcaan. Or maybe he just understand the 48 laws of power. The first one, never outshine the master. Ensure that those above you always feel superior. Go out of your way to make your bosses look better and feel smarter than anyone else. Everyone is insecure, but an insecure boss can retaliate more strongly than others can. That's basically a summary. So, probably Popcaan, you know, understand that, but I'm gonna tell him, say, remember one of your biggest hit is called Family. Maybe you should go back to this because I don't know if your music kind of fall off or dancehall dead at the same time too. That is our next video in itself, dancehall is dead. But Kartel, Popcaan paying dues, give him a break. Let him go make him go fly now. Cause right now, I know Popcaan probably he must say right now, he probably had this.
What more do you want from me? What more do you want from me?
I know as a Popcaan feel right now, you can see it in my eye. Right? Now wait there. You can see it in my eye, like, what more you want from me, bro? You try to take me out allegedly. Me never disrespect you publicly. Me stay loyal. You just let me go on. Me no need to do up under you every second. After the big concert I go on, just let me be. Let me go make some more family. So Popcaan, you need to show the good looking young man. Me think one good young man in you. But you get lead astray and you follow company. You like you easily influence. You're malleable. Yeah, and then me see this video up Kartel. I tell you him don't be no bad man, but at the same time I tell him man them big girlists or whatever. Wait. And of course I'm here to get pissed off Vybz Kartel sheeps. And guess what? You know why we are doing video on Vybz Kartel? We need to hold him accountable. All the taxpayers of Jamaica, whoever pay tax in Jamaica or whatever it is, whatever we convicted of, him use taxpayer money to get reform. So we want to see what the money bring out reformation in him. So that's why, you know, we don't hate Vybz Kartel. I'm bad boy in him. No. We accountably have influence. And them youth are easily influenced with all them TikTok and 1 minute video. Yeah. Them thinking a short span. And I know common sense thinking. We bring common sense back to Jamaica 2025. Yes.
That is the greatest. School youth. Be a gallus. Not a gunman here. School youth. Be a gallus. Not a gunman. School youth. Be as smart as you can. Be as smart as you can. In school, out of school. Remember, God is the greatest. I'm out.
You could have a better messaging than be a gallus. When Jamaica now stop trying to do everything that geared to a gallus and build themselves. I first set a man them here brag about my career. Me book a nurse girl and me book a this a girl. Like counting man papers and pockets and salaries. I might try, I don't know. Me I judge too hard. Is it that he might try if you give him a chance? Or is it PR for your concert? Only time will tell. We need to have some elephant memory and not 1 minute memory, 30-second memory. So them video are going accountable to see what message you know push after the big whatever concert you have, which if I was a betting man I would say it's gonna flop. Because if you have a big concert you ain't gonna have no sale or 50% off nothing. So it sounds like you try to put asses in the seats to me. So yeah, we just there. Still I try to get motivated, you know. And yeah, to all the people them this not edited, me just look and see one thing and this sparks my imagination. I'm not ready to get down to the editing and all that stuff yet, but I'm getting around to it. There's a lot to talk about. Alright, Mr. Vybz Kartel, we keep an eye on you, can want to see all them years where you have reform with the money, taxpayer money. Want to see what outcome will be. So if you want the haters and all the bad mind people if stop talk about you, which we not talk, I don't think we talk bad, right? Maybe not, but we are well accountable. And we are trying to bring common sense back, we are trying to bring bullshit. You, woman have nothing to aspire to when you're in a school. The part when we say be smart, build yourself, be valuable, be competitive as a man, have conversation, don't put the emotion aside, and be objective. I'm out.